Us first see, we still observe what is going on, how how is the positive cases happen next 24 hours. Let us wait and see for that, and then we will take a call. That's what I'm saying. I'm just alarming everybody now. If the situation is out of control, there is no way out but to impose lockdown. Ka rai ka bingishim ka baar menta ka sngi ka review meeting ka long ba kito ki jaka jengok kai keleng ki badon hapo ka east ka sales district ki jongi ngin khang no shwa hadu ka lai photorik jong ude ubnai april ngin khang no shwa hadu ka lai photorik jong une ubnai april. No, that in fact we have already instructed the concerned department, transport department, to make sure that over what they call it, overcrowded or within the prescribed limit of the capacity, they have to take action against those culprits.